Hey there guys, my name is Marcus, and in this video I will guide you step by step how you can easily start your own S corporation in California. Starting your S corporation, I believe, can be easy. We as a business owner should focus on running the business, like making money and generating revenue, not taking too much care about accounting, administration, how we can start business, only because then we're losing a focus. So in this video I will show you the most effective way. So let's start. The first thing you want to do is just scroll down below to the description and click on the link. When you do it, you will get right here to Incfile. Incfile is an amazing company that is going to help us start our own S corporation, and here you want to click Start My Business. Then you're going to choose the LLC to S corporation and then find California. When you're going to do it, you have 3 plans here: silver, gold, or platinum. Here, I would recommend going with the gold, but yes, with the silver you got $5, preparing filling articles, unlimited name searches, free registered agent service for a year, which is amazing. But with the gold package you can have everything, so you don't have to do too much things by yourself, like business tax number, IRS form, corporation bylaws, banking resolution, online access dashboard, business banking account. And then with the platinum package you can have 3 things here: expedited filling, business contract templates, and domain name, business email. So if you need these, choose the platinum, but if no, the gold is going to be sufficient. So I'm going to click gold package, and here I'm going to add a first name, email, and phone number, and then also we're going to add address. So you can easily stop the video at any time. Now I'm going to add a mailing address, city, California, and zip code. Now I'll press next. When you have it, you're gonna have option to have a faster filling time if you choose the gold package. So you can have like 18 business days or 8 weeks. So when I'm going to choose the 18 business days filling time, it's going to cost me $50, but I can do that if I want. And then S corporation name. So here I'm going to add my S corporation name, Marcus Marketing. You can choose whatever you want. And then designator, let's say corporation. Number of directors, you're going to choose how many directors your company is going to have. Then you have to like fill them out. And business purpose. So let's say I'm going to marketing service for small business owners. And then you need to add an industry. So I'm going to add marketing consulting services. Then you can have the corporate stock information. Here you have to add how many shares you're going to have authorized. So let's say I'm going to add 1,000, share per value 0.05, and 2 shareholders. Now it really depends how many shareholders you're gonna have, but you can add them right here. Company address information, so you can have professional business address, and you would maintain privacy by using commercial address, or you can use your own. And then you're gonna have the mailing address information. If it's the same as a company, yes. Then the next step, that you can upgrade to premium service package, so you can easily do that. And I have a business contract templates, domain name, and business email. So if you want, you can have it, and then you would click no thanks, I'll pass on this opportunity, or get upgrade and bonus. Then you can have directors, so you need to add, if you can have multiple directors, you would find them right here. And then you're going to find the officer information. So here you're going to have the president, the secretary, the treasurer, and then vice president. And when you will have it, you will click next here. Then you're going to have the shareholder. And I'm going to the shareholder 1 here. And you need to add a SSN number of that shareholder and the number of shares. So let's say I'm going to add 500. Then you need to choose the shareholder 2, first name. And then again, I need to add an SSN number and number of shares, again 500. So I get 0 shares remaining. Representative information, contact from the IRS, and then click next again. Then you need to have a registered agent for California. So what you can do, I would recommend having it with Incfile and not doing it by yourself. But if you want, you can act as your own registered agent. That's completely up to you. But my recommendation would be having it with Incfile. And when you will do it, click next here, then tax identification number, and then SSN number again, and then physical street address. So when you have all of these, you would click next again. Like, you need to apply for the employer identification number only because like Incfile will apply and obtain your AIN from the IRS electronically. This option is the fastest way to obtain it, and it's pretty good. Now I would click next. Setting up small business banking. So what you can do, you can click none at this time. You can have a bank account with Bank of America, and if you want to, and then you would press next again. Then you're gonna have an option to have a free consultation. So you will learn how your corporation is taxed, how to understand S corporation. This is something that I heavily recommend to have with Incfile because it's going to like give you so much like wisdom, I would say. Like, you will learn thanks to this. And I would recommend having it with Incfile. And when you have it, click next again. And then you see we identified 2 licenses for a consulting business in California. So here you see that you can do the work by yourself, or yes, identify all licenses I need and send me the necessary applications. This is something that I again would recommend to have with Incfile, so you can focus on actually managing the business and running it. And then you would use the company address right here that I added in previous steps. And when I have it, I'm going to press next again. And then I see the review order. So I see the state of formation, contact, agent, company info, everything here. And when you're going to review and everything is good here, then you would click next. And then you're going to have the billing information. Incfile made my first time entrepreneurial experience a peaceful one. I'm beyond grateful and excited to start my journey. Awesome service. So plenty of people are thankful for it, and they are excited they can have like S corporation with Incfile. And this is something how you end. So here you're gonna add card number and everything, and then complete and pay. And this is how you can finish it up. And this is how you can do it. So if you're gonna have any questions, guys, ask me down in comments. And this is how you can easily start your own S corporation in California. So thank you very much, guys, for watching. And have a great day and goodbye. See ya.